Right now, the sentiment around digital transformation is notably high at plus 0.72, which is well above the historical baseline we've tracked. This spike indicates a strong surge in positive sentiment, reflecting an emerging wave of optimism that you can capitalize on. With a momentum of plus 0.72 and 18 semantic clusters, we see a rich tapestry of thoughts and emotions that you can tap into. When you use our API, it returns a comprehensive analysis of sentiment, including scores and identified themes, enabling you to understand the nuances driving this momentum. Imagine integrating this into your product roadmap discussions, using real-time sentiment to prioritize features that resonate with your users. To dive deeper and see how you can implement this in your projects, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.